Welcome back to the part 2 of Airtable and Postman. Here we are talking about how we can get the data from Airtable using Postman, and after we um, use the Postman, then we can use this API in our project also. So let's get started. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please do like and share. Okay, let's get started. Here I have first what you have to do is download this Postman desktop app first of all. Then here we have Airtable that I have imported earlier. Now what you have to do is look over here. Okay, yeah. In my previous video, what I did is that I created a workplace and I gave it a workplace name. I imported a data sheet like Google Sheet, CSV file or Excel file. Then go to continue. Import file. Choose which workplace you are using right now, and then after that you will be here in this page. Here you can see like here is introduction and metadata, rate limit, authentication, and mostly what we need from here is this list records and then authentication. What authentication does is that authentication does is that it helps to create a personal access token. Here go to personal access token, and go to create tokens. Click one over here. Here you can see the tokens over here that we are using after this API key is deprecated. Here I am using the API key. Here you can see API key. Here click over here and copy this out. You can also create token clicking on this button. After you are in Airtable, to get to that documentation page, what you have to do is go to help, and then here you can see the API documentation. And after clicking on API documentation, you'll reach in this page specifically. Then here we use authentication and the table, which table you are using right now. Click on that. Go to the list record if you want to get data from the table, and from here you can retrieve a record, create record, update offset records, and delete records also. You can also submit data to the table over here, and here also you'll get the list records in this format, and you can also like populate data to the Airtable using this API. Here you can see okay. Now the second part comes. Here we have let me show you. Here we first you have to download the Postman desktop app. Go open this out. Here the UI of Postman looks like this. Here I have already 2 tabs, and in this tab what you have to do is, here I have list records. Go to list records tab over here, and here you can get the call. Copy this out, paste it over here in the URL, and go to authorization. Here you can use this as bearer token like we created before. Now what you have to do is just click on send. Here you get the data. Okay, why we are getting only 3 records over here is that you can see here max record is only 3, so we can also remove this one to get the full data, like yeah. Okay, you can remove that one and click on send. Here you can see I think here is only 3 records that we are getting right now. Here it contains only 3 records, and it should be in JSON format. And to get this data in your code, to implement this data in your JavaScript, what you have to do is go over here. Here you can see, copy this out and paste the data you are seeing here, and you can populate this data to your JavaScript file. You can access this, you can modify this, you can delete, create everything you want to do with your front end. So just copy this out and do whatever you want to do with your front end code. So thank you.